Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So, I'll just share the screen. So, today we'll hear the story of a disciple approaching a guru, and he was chanting from few months, and the disciple asked the guru that, Gurudev, I don't know why I'm not able to see any tangible change in me. I'm unable to see something external which I'm getting by chanting of holy names. And the guru heard this question, and he immediately said, my dear disciple, I'll answer this question later, but can you do one help for me? So because the disciple was a small child, small boy, so the guru actually uh, asked him that, please help me to fetch water from the nearby river. So the disciple said, yes Gurudev, why not? I would love to serve you. Please kindly give me some container in which I can fetch water for you. So when the guru was asked for a container, interestingly, he gave him a beautiful container, very colorful. I'll show you that container. So he gave him this container. And in this, he told him, bring the water to the brim. And the disciple was a small child. He was unaware that because there are so many holes, the entire container will become empty by the time he comes back. But the innocent disciple went to the river, fetched water in this container, and brought it to the guru. By the time he brought it to the guru, entire water had gone away. The guru said, I think at first time you are unable to do it. Why not you try some more times? And the disciple faithfully went, again brought, and again saw that the water is not there. Like this, after 5-6 times of attempt, the disciple was utterly frustrated, and he said, Guru Maharaj, what is this? You gave me this service, but I am unable to render it. I am unable to accomplish anything. I am unable to achieve what you told. Then immediately the guru showed him the container, and he said, do you see, when I gave this container was very, very dirty, and lot of dust accumulated for many days, and lot of dirt and impurity was there on the container. But now, because of you fetching the water again and again from the river, you know what has happened? The basket, the container has become completely purified. And then the guru said, chanting of holy names will help us purify our heart. So the purpose of me giving you this container was not to get water, but the purpose of me giving this container was to cleanse this container. So our heart is like this container, and chanting of the holy names, what we do every day, will actually purify our heart. And that is why Krishna, in a very beautiful shloka, one of the most famous shlokas of Gita, he says, Karmanyevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phala heturbhu ma te sangostva karmani. Oh Arjuna, don't be too much bothered about the result, but be bothered about your own duty. Do your work as a responsibility, as a duty. Because work, what we offer in this world, the occupational duties, what we offer in this world, are meant for purification. They are not meant for enjoyment of fruits. So, ma phaleshu kadachana, don't worry about the fruits. At the same time, just because you are unable to see the external fruits manifesting, don't become discouraged in your duty. Ma karma phala hetur mate sangosto karmani. Don't become attached to not working and not performing your duty. So similarly, the chanting of holy names should be done with the attitude to serve and please. Chanting of the holy name is meant to revive our eternal nature of loving and serving God. That is not meant to give us something material of this world. Yes, if someone wants something material of this world, he can also get that by chanting of the holy names. But it will be a very foolish act, just like going to Mukesh Ambani and asking him, Baba, 5 rupees de do. So it is something like that, going to Krishna and asking for some material benefits when Krishna is ready to offer himself. So let's come together and chant the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद